and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change your saved files like path on CapCut PC. So for instance, your disk C is full and you want to change like where you saved your CapCut files. Go to menu, go back to homepage, and then go and select this gear icon, go to settings, and then go to settings again. And this is where you can basically select the folder that you want your save files to be. This is where mine is, so just simply select folder. You can also change the material downloaded folder as well. This is where like they download effects, filters, stock videos, stickers as well. So you want to select that and also delete your cache files. This also like deletes like the filters and effects you've downloaded. But you can like instantly download it again, but if you don't have space, just delete it first. I do have like auto delete cache and then just press save. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.